Welcome back to Tech Scout, your front row seat to the world of high-tech industrial machinery. In this episode, we step into food production lines where precision engineering and automation deliver consistency, efficiency, and scale for the global food industry. This automated cookie line deposits dough with speed and uniformity. Its conveyor system ensures consistent shapes and standard amounts of chocolate chips, streamlining mass bakery production. A rotary molder presses dough against patterned rollers. This guarantees identical size and detail on every cookie. Embossing dies stamp logos or textures into dough. This technique combines branding with high-volume bakery output. A continuous tunnel oven bakes loaves of bread with controlled heat zones. It ensures even coloring and consistent texture across large batches. These machines portion and shape dough with precision molds. They provide consistent weight and geometry for industrial baking lines. The Bouncy machine portions dough, fills it, and seals each bun. It replicates traditional methods with automation. This dumpling maker folds, crimps, and seals pastry with uniform filling. Its output far surpasses manual production. Flow wrappers enclose food in airtight film. They extend shelf life while maintaining product presentation. Sealing jaws apply heat and pressure to package seams. This guarantees tamper-evident, hygienic protection. Rotating drums roast peppers evenly, then automated peelers strip skins cleanly. The process preserves flavor at industrial scale. Products are fried in oil tanks, then de-oiled and cooled on conveyors. This ensures crisp texture and reduced surface grease. High-speed blades slice onions with precision. Enclosed systems improve efficiency and worker safety. Industrial slicers cut uniform meat portions. Adjustable thickness provides consistency for retail packaging. This machine extrudes seasoned meat into casings. Automated portioning guarantees consistent weight per link. Heavy-duty bandsaws slice through carcasses with precision. Stainless construction ensures hygiene in meat processing. Automated filleting systems skin and portion fish quickly. They maximize yield while reducing manual labor. Mechanical presses extract oils from seeds with controlled pressure. Cold pressing preserves natural nutrients and flavor. Dough is forced through precision dies. The result? Uniform pasta shapes ready for drying or packaging. Rotating drum roasters apply controlled heat to coffee beans. This develops aroma, flavor, and consistent roast profiles. A curtain of tempered chocolate coats confections. Cooling tunnels then set the glossy, uniform finish. From roasting peppers to molding buns and coating chocolates, advanced food machinery merges tradition with innovation. These automated systems deliver precision, safety, and scalability, feeding industries worldwide. Thanks for watching, Tech Scout. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the machines shaping modern manufacturing.